Replace the front fork of folding ox. Tools needed. 1. Rolling tape to dot scissors. 3.15 wrench, 5 mm socket dot for dot hex socket. Take off the headlamp and set it aside. Then proceed like the steps in the video. Remove front fender. And screw like in the video. The next step is to remove the parts from the evic. Be careful not to lose them. Then the folding ox front fork is replaced. Put in the parts you just removed. Next is put on the brakes. Put on the fender. Put on the headlight. Last, it's time to reattach the front of the electric bike following the video steps. Congratulations, you have successfully replaced